good boy. Oh, the lid didn't close. You're being a very good boy. Release. We'll do a little rinse. Oh, this is gonna feel nice. Oh, that feels nice.
He won't go in the water?
No, he goes all swirly. Oh, there we go. There we go. What a good boy you are. What a great job. What a good job, Levon. I think I got most of the soap. Here, I'll do another rinse. You sit there. You sit nice. Oh, nothing in the ears.